Hello, I am Saanchita, first year BTech student from PES University. I am here to demonstrate our first year computer project made by Sanath, Rohan, and me. The title of our project is Digital Assistant, which performs basic tasks, and we call her Trinity. Trinity starts off wishing you for the day. She automatically recognizes the time of the day and wishes you accordingly. You just need to enter your name and let her handle your tasks with just your voice commands, while you just sit back and relax. Now over to Rohan, who is going to explain the structure of the program.
Well, thank you, Sanchita, for the wonderful introduction. So let me guide you guys through the structure of the program. So first of all, I've imported a bunch of Python modules like PyTTSX3, which basically converts the text to speech, and a speech recognition module, which does the reverse of what PyTTSX3 did, like basically converts your speech to text. And date time module, which is used to get the present date and time, and Wikipedia module, which is used to access the content of Wikipedia, web browser to open the content in the web browser, and OS in order to open your local files in the system, and SMTP_LIB, which is used to send emails to a particular recipient, and random to generate random values, or basically we're using here random in order to play random songs, and time to introduce a little time gap or time delay between successive commands. So what we have done here in layman's language is basically we have created a speech object, basically created a female voice here using the Sapify API and all this bunch of things. And the next we have function, speech function, which essentially converts the text to speech, basically speaks in Trinity's voice, of course. And the next is wish me function, which wishes the user based on the time in which he or she operates the program. And the next is take command function, which is used to basically take the user's command in form of speech and convert it into text, which is stored as this thing query, this variable called query. And the next comes the email function, which is used to send the email to a particular recipient through another of your email. And now we come to the main structure of the program. So in the main program, we have included a bunch of if-elif constructs like uh, this you can literally see them on the screen. So it basically executes command on based on the user's query. So these are all the if-else if commands which you will later see in the output terminal. And I have introduced all of these commands into a while loop, which basically executes the commands again and again based on the user's query, of course, until the user does not want the program to be executed. So basically what it does is every time a command is executed, the user is asked if he or she would like to continue. And even if the user's answer would contain a no or a thanks in it, it would just terminate. And if not, you can enjoy Trinity again. So over to Sanath, who would guide you through the output of the program and the basic uses of digital assistant in the future. So Sanath, take it away, bro.
Well, as Rohan said, Trinity runs on your voice commands. Let us start the program first.
Good afternoon. Please enter your name to continue. Hello Neo. I am Trinity, and I am your basic digital assistant. How may I help you?
For instance, if you say,
Leonardo DiCaprio, Wikipedia.
Searching Wikipedia. According to Wikipedia, Leonardo Wilhelm DiCaprio, Italian, DiCaprio, born November 11, 1974, is an American actor, film producer, and environmentalist. He has often played unconventional roles, particularly in biopics and period films. Would you like to continue?
Yes.
you can also say,
Open Google.
Would you like to continue?
No, thank you.
Sayonara. Thanks for your time.
Well, similar to this, there are many more commands. If used, this video might be a little lengthy. So wrapping up, a digital assistant can help in various no-contact business uses cases like entry into building based on user authentication, contactless attendance verification, patient registration at the reception of a hospital, and many more. This is just the beginning.